Hi guys, welcome to ARA Thoughts. So in this video, we will discuss about Zephyr plugin installation and writing test cases using AI tool like ChatGPT. So already the previous class we discussed about like how to uh, do sprint planning meeting and how to create sprint. So once we create the sprint, then developer work and tester work will start, guys. So you already know the tester responsibility and developer responsibility. So once the sprint created, whatever stories assigned to you, so you need to understand the requirement. So test plan creation is it is a one time for project, guys. So this is created by QA lead or QA manager. Okay. So in the team, we don't need to worry about this. Then we are responsible for create test cases, review the test cases, and sometimes teammates will review, and sometimes team lead will review, guys. So then we need to do environment setup. This is also one time setup, guys. The environment setup. So if the requirement has changed, we need to um, change the environment setup also. Okay. Then we need to do test execution, then rise bugs, then retesting and regression testing, guys. Once this all are done, the build it will move to the production environment, guys. So this is the one hand like one side tester activities will process, then another side developer activities will uh, developer activities will go on another side, guys. So once the sprint is started, so if anyone uh, want to know like how to create sprint, like how a sprint planning meeting will be conduct. So you want to know, please check the part 4 video, guys. I will put in the comment section. You can go there and you can watch it. And then in the part 2, so I explained about like how to create and how to log in free Jira account, then how to create the project, how to create the epics, how to create the stories. So I explained in detail like how we will perform in the live environment. So I explained very clearly. Please check the previous videos, guys, and please do subscribe and share and like, guys. So okay, let's start the video, guys. So we know already we created the epics and we converted that epics into the stories. Then we conducted these all are responsibilities of product owner, guys. So product owner will collect the product owner and business analyst like BA will collect the requirement from the uh, client. So they will analyze and product owner responsibility to create the epics, and that epics is to convert it to stories, guys, user stories. Once the user stories are ready, so you can check in the backlog, guys. So he will create all user stories here. Once the user stories are ready, um, he will conduct sprint planning meeting, guys. In the sprint planning meeting, so he will ask like uh, all members will discuss about which story points we need to develop this sprint. So they will discuss all about that. So you can check the previous video, guys. In that, so I explained very detailed about sprint planning meeting, like how the real time will be conducted. And then once the planning meeting is done, then uh, product owner will create sprint, guys. So you don't need to worry about how to create sprint, how to delete sprint, like how to manage sprint. So you don't need to worry about that. So because it is completely product owner responsibility. But in this tutorial, I'm explaining like each and everything, guys. Product owner role and Scrum Master role and tester role and developer role also. So you will get more information like how the real time will happen, the each and every responsibility. In real time, you won't get access, guys. The product owner access you won't get, like creating the sprint, like delete the sprint, completed sprint, like whatever the sprint activities, like manager level activities, you won't get access, guys. Only you will get access for the uh, tester activities, like creating the test cases, create the subtasks, like creating the bugs, like, guys. So once the sprint planning meeting is done, so you will create sprint and we will start work, guys. So first we will take the registration user story. Okay. So click on the ID name. It will open in the next tab, the detail page, the issue detail page, guys. So here we will create subtasks, guys. Developer will create their subtasks. You need to create your subtasks, guys. So what are the developer activities? Requirement understanding, development, unit testing, integration testing. So these are the developer activities. These are the tester activities, guys. So what are the activity you will perform for the particular story? You need to add subtask, guys. Here everything is countable. You need to mention the subtask and you need to add your story points, guys. How much time it will take for that particular subtask. Then only they can calculate the entire time, guys. So first task is understanding the requirement. So understanding is the requirement. Then after understanding the requirement, we need to create test case, guys. So test case, tester activity. So create test case, you need to click on create button. Once you click on create button, you need to select test, guys. So by default, you will get these four options, guys. So if you need this test option, you need to install Zephyr plugin, guys. Already I installed. I will show the process how to install that. So click on the apps. So click on explore more apps. So you will get this page. Here search for Zephyr. You will get two options, guys. Zephyr scale and Zephyr squared. So you install Zephyr squared, guys. So click on that. Here you will get free trial option, guys. Click on the free trial option. So automatically you will get one message here. So the plugin is installed or plugin is added. Once the plugin is added, come to the project which you are working. So in the left side bottom, you will get this option, guys. Zephyr squared. Click on this. You will get again these options. Click on the create test, guys. I already installed, that's why it is showing directly this page. So once you installed, so how to add this test to in the options, guys. See, for example, I am selecting another project. See, orange HRM. And remember one thing, guys, once you install the Zephyr plugin, it is a 30 days free trial. Some companies they purchase license, and some companies uh, they use like test trial for test case creation, and they will link with the Jira, guys. Some companies won't purchase Zephyr plugin. Some companies they purchase. Okay. So once you install the Zephyr plugin, see here, so you will get option here, guys. So click on that. You need to add Zephyr plugin for every project. Whichever project you want to work, you need to add that project particularly. So by default, it won't come, guys. See, when you click on create, you will get by default four options. So story, task, bug, epic, guys. So in the real time, you won't get epic also, because epic, so it is responsible for product owner, guys. So whenever you install the Zephyr plugin, you will get this page, guys. You click on the Zephyr squared, you will get this page. So come here and see enable Zephyr squared in project OH. So project OH means Orange HRM project. This is the ID, guys. Whenever you create the project, so you will get that ID, guys. So you, if you don't know how to create project, please go the second part video, guys, part 2. So you will get clear about how to create project and how to delete project and how to manage project. So here we need to follow some rules. So download Zephyr squared icon for the add issue type. In the real time, you don't need to worry, guys. So this is entirely completed by the product owner. Okay. So then create an issue type in project settings. So click on the project settings. It will take to you in the next tab. So here you need to add issue type. You need to add test. Then change icon. So click on the change icon. Here upload photo. Whatever you download the photo, upload here and click on select. Click on create, guys. So done. Once you added, then refresh it. Click on the create button. So now you will get the test option. Okay, guys. So now you can create the test case. So click on the Jira software. Click on Orange HRM. So sorry. Click on Open Card Demo, guys. So we are working on this project. So this is the entire process to activate Zephyr Square plugin, guys. Okay. So coming to the our project, Open Card Demo. If you confuse, please do comment, guys. I will I will do another video for the activate this. Okay. So in this video, we explained like how to install Zephyr plugin, guys. This is used for create test cases. Okay. So this is the process, guys. So once the first point is done, Zephyr plugin installation and activation is done, then we will you go to the second point, write test case using AI tool. See, for example, we are working on open cart demo project, right? Open cart. So this is the demo website, guys. So we can do all activities on this. So this company is providing like free demo website. We can do practice on this. Okay. So this is the website. We this is the project we taken. This is e-commerce project. Okay. So we are working on this. So we need to write test case for register story, guys. So expand this. So here, so this is the registration story, right? So Open registration page, guys. So we need to write test case for this, right? So first we need to create one test case. Click on create. So here I need to change icon, guys. So hope you know how to change icon. So click on the project settings. Click on issue types. You will get all issues. So test issue is there. Click on the test issue. So here click on the change type icon. Click on upload a photo. Click that image. Click on select. So now it is changed, guys. So it is done. Click on the Jira software. So click on the save changes, guys. So then click on Jira software. Select the project. Go to backlogs. Click on the registration story. So click on the particular ID. It will take to you another page. So they will provide detailed information about registration story, guys. You need to create test cases for the registration page. Okay, you need to create a negative test case. You need to create positive test cases also, guys. So you need to understand the entire requirement, business requirement. Then you need to create test case, guys. Click on the create. So select the test. Already by default it is selected. Come here, then here. See, as of now, all the testers are writing the uh, test case title, test case description, then test case expected result, actual result, test steps, everything. So we are writing, right? So it will take almost, see, if it is a small test case, it will take like 10 minutes to 30 minutes. If it is a big test case, it will take 30 minutes to 1 hour. So now the every industry is changing, guys. So because the dragon is entered, the dragon name is AI. AI means artificial intelligence. So these AI tools are generating the entire code, almost 70 to 80% code the AI tools are generating. Then so if you want to do one task, the task will be take 2 to 3 hours. Using this AI tool, it will complete like 30 minutes to 1 hour. AI won't replace the jobs, but AI will reduce the human resource, guys. So you need to know about AI tools definitely. So now we will write one test case for the registration functionality. Okay. So here we don't need to bother about more, guys. So just come to the, so in the previous, what we will do, we need to write the summary, we need to write the description, so we need to write the test steps or everything. But now the game has changed, guys. So write test case title and description for register functionality. Whatever you ask, so it will generate the result, guys. See, everything is generated. Like this is the test case title, registration functionality, successful user registration. So we will put this in the title. So we are writing test case for register functionality and successful user registration. We can write like this, or we can write verify register functionality using valid credentials. So we can write like that also, guys. So then description. So here we will write the detailed description. So what about like we need to write the detailed description. This test case verify the successful user registration process for a new user on the application registration page. The objective is ensure that user to create an account with valid information, that the registration process functionality should be correctly. So we need to provide like a detailed description, guys. So this is our responsibility. So previously we need to write uh, these things, guys. Now the drama has changed. We can generate the content through AI tools, guys. See, if it will take at least 3 to 5 minutes time to write this, but now so we can ask here and it will generate content. We can copy here and we can change little bit. So we can change our uh, like little bit changes. Then we can go with that, guys. So now we need to write like module. So which module we are working on? So user module, or so some in some companies follows like actor. Some companies will write like module. Some companies write actor. So this is a user module, right? Then expected result. So expected result. What is the expected result, guys? The user able to log in using the registered credentials without any errors. This is the expected result. Okay. So this thing we need to write. So if you have um, any documents or any links or any images, if we have, so we will add here, guys. Okay, we will write these things. And then from here, you can give story point like story points for this particular thing also. So then you can select this. You need to select the sprint, guys. So we are working on open card demo, right? That ID is OD. So click on that particular sprint. Then, so if you have any attachments, then you need to attach, guys. Then select on issue. So for which issue we are writing test case, guys. So click on the issue we are writing for registration, right? Select registration, guys. Then click on create. So now the test case is created, guys. To see the test case, click on the issues. All issues are display here. Okay. See, latest issue will be display on the top. So click on the ID. It will take to you in the next page. So we need to write steps also, right? In the Excel sheet, we will create one column. So we will write actual result, expected result like that. So, but here, so here we have three options, right? Zephyr actions, test detail, test execution. So click on the test detail, guys. Okay. And here not displaying, guys. If anyone face this issue, so open Firefox browser, guys. In some browsers will issues with that test detail option due to using old version of Chrome and various regions. So sometimes the test details option will won't display. So use Firefox. Okay. So log in here in the Jira. Guys, video is taking little bit length. So I'll do I'll reduce time video duration time in next coming videos. So if you really like this content, please do subscribe and please do comment, guys. So that will be encouragement for me. So I can do more videos. Please do comment. So don't forget to comment like how the session is. And please ping your email ID in comment box, guys. I'll give the Jira access. Then you can practice the entire project. So whatever I am practicing the Jira account, I will give that access. So you can able to see the entire project. Then you can also create test cases. You can also create stories like that. So click on the Jira. It is taking some time, guys. So these sessions are entirely very practical, guys. In the real time, will happen same thing. So first, whenever you joined in the new company, so they will give login details to you. They will give login details for a project, and they will give login details for Jira. They will give login details for if you are using other any VPN. So they will give login details for VPN. They will give login details for the project. They will give login details for the Jira. Then through that login details, you can log in with their accounts. Then you need to work on, guys, in the real time. It is taking some time. And here we will get login option. If anyone have doubt how to log in, so this is the process, guys. I logged in previously. So if you do not get a test detail in the Chrome browser, so open Firefox browser, guys, and log in here. Log in with your details. So click on Jira software. click on the project. So for the first test case, it will take time, guys, because to install Zephyr plugin and to configure, to write the first test case, it will take some time. Then once it is done, then from the second test case, it will vary, guys. So click on the issues, click on the test case, click on the ID, it will take to you in the next page. Here, click on the test detail, guys. Test detail. See, guys. So you will get this test detail option, guys. So here, but in the Chrome browser, I am not getting due to some various reasons. If you are not getting, so please use Firefox browser, guys. So test steps. We need to write test steps. Okay. So go to the ChatGPT and we need to write the step by step, guys. So in the Excel sheet, what you will do, like so steps, you will write the one column for steps. So you will write the all steps. In the another step, you will use the test data, then expected result, then actual result you will write, right? So same options you will get here: test step, test data, test result, like whatever test result you want. So test step, guys. The first step is open the application. So if you want to write in detail, open Chrome browser, then open the application. So here, open Chrome browser and open the application. You need to write unit test data, right? The application URL. So this is the application URL. This is the test data. Then test result is you need to write expected result, right? So what is the expected result? The application opens successfully. So test result. Click on tick mark. So first step is done. The second step is the registration page load without errors. So, but as of now, you are opening only home page, right? Otherwise, you can open directly registration page. Give registration page link there. Here in the test data, give registration page link. Okay. So application open successfully. Open the register page. Okay. So this is the step one. Then this will happen in the real time, guys. So the second step is the registration page load without errors. So we can write, or we can ignore this step. If you want to write the user is on, this is the step, guys, actually. Now get to the registration page. The registration page load successfully. So then once the now the registration page is opened, guys. So enter first name. See, enter valid details. So here they given like complete step. Then you can write the in detail, guys. So enter user whatever the details in the available in the contact form, like registration form, you need to enter the details, guys. So first is a first name, right? Enter first name. test data. So you don't need to worry about the guys. So test data will be provided uh, by the team leader, or sometimes it will be provided by the product owner. Sometimes it will be provided by the TO team guys. So if you need test data, you can ask them. So they will provide. And sometimes you can test with the like general data also guys. So enter first name, test data is ARA. So my channel is ARA Thoughts guys. Please do subscribe. And so the expected result is first name should be entered. So enter last name, email, enter last name. You can write in detail thoughts. Last name will be enter. Then you need to write email, password, enter email. You need to write email. Your email should be entered. Then password, enter password. So password, enter. Then so newsletter, subscribe, check subscribe, subscribe button, and please do subscribe my channel guys. Don't forget. So if you want to select yes or no, you can write in the test data yes. Like if you want to select yes, you can select yes. If you want to select no, so click on no guys. So you need to write one test case for yes, one test case for no guys. So you need to write each and every test case. So registration page will be take 20 to 30 test cases. If the registration page is like have more test boxes, so you need to write more test cases guys. You need to write every test case uh, like so the first name is taking the values or not, last name is taking the values or not, so email is taking the values or not, the details are taking so you need to enter, you need to click on submit continue button without enter any details. So if you click on without enter any details, it is accepting or not. So without entering the this checkbox, it is accepting or not. So you need to enter, you need to write each and every test case guys. So checkbox would be yes. not checkbox, guys. So check subscribe. Click on subscribe button, guys. Radio button should be yes, guys. So then here the one step is. So now the last step is click on checkbox. So I explained this in general way, guys. So in next classes we will cover like in detail test cases, guys. Checkbox active. Click on continue button. So once click on the continue button, so user should get register successful message and user should get registration successful message and get confirmation email also, guys. So this is the test case steps, guys. So as of now, I've written 8 steps. Sometimes it will take like 20 to 30 steps. Sometimes it will take like 60 steps, 50 steps. So you need to write by patience, guys. So this is the test case for verify registration functionality using valid credentials. So once you write the test case, so click on the issue. So the test case writing is done, guys, as of now. So you need to write a test case like this. So verify registration functionality using valid data, registration functionality using invalid data, registration functionality like without entering details. So registration functionality only uh, so only entering the first name, registration functionality only entering the last name, email, so password. So you need to check like both yes or no buttons. You need to check without checkbox and with checkbox. So you need to write test cases for each and every test case, guys. In the next sessions, I will explain very detailed, guys. So the creation test case, writing the test case using AI tool also, it is done, guys. So once you will write, see, this is the invalid credential for test case. So as of now, we covered one test case, guys. So in the next sessions, I will explain more test cases and so test execution and how to create the test cycles and how to create versions. So I'll explain in detail, guys, in the next sessions. Okay, thank you. Please do subscribe, guys.